Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man. It's 5:26 in the morning, and what are we doing on Sunday of Memorial Day weekend? We are putting in a pig. We're at my buddy Todd Garside's house here. Our buddy Constantine, the extremely intelligent gentleman who created this contraption that we're putting this pig on. So there we go. There's that beautiful pig, and here we go. Pig is now finally on. Look at this thing. This is badass. Our good friend Constantine right here, that man right there created this contraption. Constantine, tell us a little bit about this thing.
Well, it's pretty much disassembleable metal buck. We can get the panels off. Frame is stainless, lid is stainless, and the panels are painted steel.
This is absolutely amazing. Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man, and with my buddy Todd Garside at his pig roast. We've been doing a pig every year. How many years has this been now, Todd?
7 years cooking pigs.
7 years that we've been doing pigs together for his pig roast. I'm always honored that I'm allowed to be here. We always create a dirty pig. So I just want to show you our friend Constantine, which I mentioned earlier. He made this for Todd. Go ahead and open it up, Todd. Show us our beautiful pig. Oh, look at that bad boy. There's your dirty pig right here. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, yeah. Skin falling off right now. This thing is done.
As Constantine would say, it's good to be alive. Good to be friends, buddy.
Amen to that, brother. Amen to that.
All right, hey, now the pig is done. We're super excited to see it. Let's check it out. We're gonna take this off. Let's take it off. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. That's what it's all about. It's time to get dirty.
All right. All right, happy Memorial Day, everybody. My name is the other Todd. I'm hanging out with Todd, the Dirt Man, right here. Honored to cook another pig with him. This pig just turned out absolutely phenomenal. Really appreciate it for Todd to come out with this. I hope everybody has a great Memorial Day weekend. Remember the sacrifice of our soldiers so we can celebrate this great day. Bring it down and dirty together and have everybody a great weekend.
Remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.